So I came back out here. This is day 4. I came back out here to check on these, and there are more, even more. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprouts coming up. Oh, and there's another one, and there's another one right there. I don't know. Oh, there's another one. Dude, that's crazy. No, I don't think any of these are actually gonna make it. I don't know what they are, but they're already super leggy from trying to get to the light. There's another one right there. Maybe some of the small ones I might be able to actually pull out, but I don't know what kind of seeds they were. I don't know what kind of plants they are, so I guess they're just kind of sprouting. I'm gonna let them do their thing in here, but they probably won't make it due to insufficient light. So we'll just let them continue to do their thing in here. I'm not gonna worry about it too much, but it's kind of cool. Still kind of cool that this is already just growing great stuff out of just a little bit of peat moss. Man, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a dork. This is so fascinating to me, honestly. How they just take all this stuff, old, dead materials, newspaper even. They take newspaper and make it into some of the best stuff. Well, it is the best stuff organically that you can possibly put into your garden. Their poop. It's just really interesting. God's little miracle gardeners. And they just till the soil. They aerate it. They just make it amazing. There's nothing wrong with these creatures. They're pretty perfect. Other than the girls think they're icky. Anyway, that's a little update. I'm probably gonna split these up and maybe do a couple separate bins and do some experimenting. Trying to maybe do all brown matter materials, dry materials in one bin, and then do like rotten watermelon rinds, stuff like that, in another one. Cilantro doing something. Basil's gotten a little bigger. All those peppers. There's a lot of peppers on the plant. Broccoli. Look at these things. These things are just gotten huge. I feel like there's gonna be a head of broccoli on there anytime now. Just anytime. That's awesome. And then I am almost 100% sure. I looked up what the potato sprouts look like once they breach the surface, and this is what they look like. So off of those old potatoes that I threw in here, not intentional for them to grow, just for them to break down and compost themselves, or decompost or whatever. That was my full intention, just for them to make this bed real rich, because I threw them in here with a bunch of other scraps, but I chopped them all up and stuff, and yeah, they're growing into actual potato plants. So I could potentially have potatoes in this bed, not sweet potatoes. It would have just been like red skin potatoes. I think some of them were actually new potatoes, like the little medley variety. It's like red and white new potatoes or whatever. Something keeps putting these weeds back in here, like the dead ones that I've pulled out. I don't know why. Might be my dogs. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Kind of fascinating that I accidentally planted a potato bed. amongst, I don't know what that is. That's not normal grass. Something else growing right there. So we'll let it sit. Might be onions. Dude, I have potatoes and onions growing in this bed. Threw a lot of onions in here too. Oh well, let's see how it goes. Talk to you guys later.